Nailing noun clauses, English language learning. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another exciting English grammar lesson. Today, we're diving deep into the world of noun clauses. They're an important part of the English language, helping us to connect ideas and share information more effectively. So buckle up and let's get started. A noun clause is a group of words that acts as a noun in a sentence. It can be the subject of a sentence, the object of a verb, or the object of a preposition. Noun clauses usually start with words like that, what, why, how, if, or whether. They are different from noun phrases as they contain a subject and a verb. Here's an example. What you said really surprised me. In this sentence, what you said is the noun clause acting as the subject. Let's explore further the various roles a noun clause can take on in a sentence. Subject of a sentence. A noun clause can be the subject of a sentence. For example, what you said is interesting. Here, the noun clause, what you said, is the subject of the sentence. Object of a verb. A noun clause can also be the object of a verb. Consider this sentence. She doesn't understand why I was late. In this case, the noun clause, why I was late, is the object of the verb, understand. Object of a preposition. A noun clause can be the object of a preposition. Here's an example. I'm thinking about what I should do next. The noun clause, what I should do next, is the object of the preposition, about. Creating noun clauses is simple. Start with a noun clause introducer. Words like that, what, why, how, if, or whether, followed by a subject and a verb. For instance, in the sentence, she believes that the world is round. The noun clause, that the world is round, was formed by starting with the introducer, that, followed by the subject, the world, and the verb, is. That wraps up our lesson on noun clauses. They're a fantastic tool to add complexity and depth to your English sentences, making your conversations and writings more interesting and engaging. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using noun clauses like a pro. Remember, English language learning is a journey. Keep going, and you'll continue to improve every day. Until next time, happy learning!